Wow. Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Birmingham and welcome to Our Pharmacy, Our Future. Today is a new chapter in the history of this business and a great opportunity to take the best of what we had before and build on that for the future.
After 70 years, the cooperative pharmacy has new owners, and in February 2015, many hundreds of people gathered in Birmingham to mark the launch of Well, the pharmacy's new name. The pharmacy chain has been bought by Bestway Group, and this £620 million acquisition adds a fourth division to its global business. It enjoys an 18% market share in the wholesale sector in the UK. While in Pakistan, Bestway Cement is the largest cement producer in the country, operating 5 plants and with an output of over 8 million tonnes of cement a year. And it owns 60% of UBL, Pakistan's second largest bank, with over $10 billion of assets under management. These divisions combine to make Bestway Group the UK's 17th largest independently owned business, with a global workforce of over 33,000 people. Bestway Group is a family-owned business and has gone from zero to a turnover of over £3.5 billion a year in just 5 decades. Banking, cement production, grocery wholesale, and now pharmacy. One organisation succeeding in contrasting sectors and in different parts of the world.
The major criteria is, can we make a difference in this particular sector? Do we have the capacity to make a difference? And will it be a good fit for us in the long term? Because we're not short-term players, we are long-term players.
The purchase of 774 pharmacies across the UK, most of them close to GP practices and health centres, aligns this new division with the central pillar of Bestway Group's modus operandi, serving the local community.
We're going to be expected to play a bigger part in delivering the NHS agenda, particularly getting patients out of accident and emergency and out of GP surgeries and into the community where we can serve them at a lower cost.
Bestway Group's roots are in the retail sector. Its founder, Sir Anwar Pervez, arrived in London from his native Pakistan in the 1960s, and while working in a small convenience store, heard the misgivings of local shoppers.
I see a lot of old ladies, pensioners coming and talk to me, say, you're a very nice person, you're open 7 days a week, helping us whenever we need, but your prices are very high.
This feedback gave Sir Anwar a business idea, and in 1976 he opened a cash and carry warehouse in West London. Today, Bestway Wholesale has 5.5 million square feet of selling space, a product line of over 25,000 items, serving 100,000 independent retailers, a key point of difference from the competition.
Because we came from a retail background, we knew exactly what the problems are and what the retailer is looking for. And fundamentally, the competitors were working at a much higher margin. And we worked it out that no, if we slash the margin by half, we still make a little bit profit and give good prices to the industry, independent retailers.
Independence is a buzzword in Bestway's business strategy. It owns the largest retail club in the UK, with over 4,000 members, including controlling the Best One convenience stores, the most successful symbol group in the convenience store sector in the UK, and found on all British high streets. Each one is located in the heart of the local community and owned and managed by independent retailers who trade with the support of Bestway Group behind them.
When Bestway started out, they were independent shopkeepers like we were. So we understood that they would have the same sort of values and ethos as we have. And going forward, that would help our business because they understand us and our customer base better than most other symbol groups.
In 1995, Bestway Group took what many saw as a big gamble, diversifying not only away from wholesale, but from the UK. The chairman wanted to give back to the country of his birth, as well as take advantage of the burgeoning economic climate in Pakistan, in which an expanding middle class was demanding an infrastructure to mirror its ambitions.
You've got the economy moving at a faster rate, you've got the population moving at a faster rate, and all these, both the population and the country needs is, increased investment in the infrastructure, and the infrastructure requires cement.
20 years on, Bestway Cement has 5 plants around the country and is Pakistan's largest cement producer. Perhaps the greatest demonstration of Bestway's community spirit can be found in its banking division. In 2002, it acquired the Pakistani government's stake in UBL. Today, it has 1,400 branches in Pakistan, the Gulf, and the UK. Its success is characterized by a series of innovative measures that it's initiated.
We have always been known as an innovative bank. In this regard, financial inclusion, which is something very close to the government as well, we were the first commercial bank to come up with the concept of branchless banking. This has indeed been revolutionary in Pakistan for the unbanked population.
In remote areas of Pakistan, UBL offers basic banking services to 6.8 million unbanked customers through a network of 35,000 agents, many of them local shopkeepers. This emphasis on serving the local community will underpin Bestway's latest acquisition. With an ageing population in the UK, its investment in the Well estate of £200 million over the next 5 years will help bring healthcare closer to those that need it most and grow Bestway into one of the UK's largest conglomerates.